Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. In today's video we are going to make pancakes at home. So it will be so squishy and soft as you can see in the image. So let's start with the ingredients first. First ingredient is powdered sugar, then salt, then all-purpose flour, what we call maida in Hindi, then baking powder, then melted butter, milk, and then butter, eggs, 2 bowls for mixing and 1 cup for measuring. So let's start with the preparation. First you need to take a big bowl, add 2 or 2.5 cup of all-purpose flour, what we call maida in Hindi. Okay, this I have added 2 and a small amount of more to be added. Then comes salt, a pinch of salt. Okay, then comes powdered sugar. 4 to 5 spoons you can add powdered sugar as you like. So powdered sugar you can make at home also, so try not to bring from outside and make at home itself. Okay, now mix it well. Then comes baking powder. Add 3 to 4 spoons of baking powder so that it gets fluffy, it gets very good in taste, so all that matters. Okay, so now mix all the ingredients very well, very nicely. And now take the different bowl, break the eggs in it. Now here we are taking 3 eggs for 2.5 cups of maida. Okay, so this will be your measurements. 3 eggs, whisk it very well. So I'm taking fork here because I just love to do it with a fork. After mixing, after whisking, you can add oil in it, 1 full cup of boiled milk. Okay, now mix it. Then comes melted butter. Add melted butter in the batter. Okay, so melted butter you can take measurement as 1 or 2 full tablespoon. Okay, 2 full tablespoon melted butter. Now in the batter where we have added all the powdered ones, add this liquid ones. Okay, mix it with the hand slowly and steadily. You need not hurry so that it gets mixed very well. Okay, there will be lumps, so you need to break all the lumps with your hands. Now on the other hand, on the stove, take a pan and add butter, rub butter in it so that this pancakes doesn't stick. Okay, doesn't stick, and then let it heat for 2 minutes. And now add this pancake batter in it slowly. You can use this big tablespoon and add 2 tablespoons at once. Okay, how much ever you want, size depends on you. So now I have added it, and on medium flame let it cook for some time, and then you can do upside down. See, it's cooking. Okay, it takes some time, but yes, if you eat it, you will love it, guys. Seriously, you will love it. So now I'll just do it upside down so that it cooks on the other side too. You can just check with your hand it's done or not. Now flip it. See, it's cooked very nicely, as you can see in the video. It cooked very nicely. Okay, on the other side also you have to cook for the same time for 2 to 3 minutes on the medium flame, and yes, you are done. So you can eat this for your breakfast, you can pack this for your lunch, anything you can do. 3 or 4 is more than enough for a person. Seriously. So now I'm eating this with banana pieces and honey. It will taste very, very, very good. You can eat this on my recommendation. So thank you guys. Bye bye.